Hello, everyone. You are welcome to our wonderful channel. Now we will be sharing how to easily and simply make delicious and mouth-watering Bolognese sauce at home in the comfort of your kitchen. Sit back, relax and enjoy. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video, if you have not. Here we will be sharing a detailed and thorough guide on how to make an easy Bolognese sauce recipe at home. It provides a comprehensive guide that covers various aspects of making Bolognese sauce, including history, ingredients, techniques, variations, and more. This guide also offers you a complete understanding of the dish. List of contents to be shared. Introduction to Bolognese sauce. Historical background. Essential ingredients. Equipment and tools. Basic techniques. Classic Bolognese sauce recipe. Variations and additions. Serving suggestions and pairings. Nutritional information. Tips for perfecting Bolognese sauce. Common mistakes to avoid. Storage and shelf life. Making Bolognese sauce for different diets. Advanced techniques and experimentation. Frequently asked questions. Conclusion and final thoughts. Introduction to Bolognese sauce. Bolognese sauce, or ragu alla Bolognese, is a rich and hearty meat-based sauce that originates from Bologna, Italy. This sauce is traditionally served with pasta, and its deep flavors come from slow cooking a mixture of meat, vegetables, wine, and tomatoes. While it can seem complex, making an easy Bolognese sauce at home is entirely achievable with the right ingredients and techniques. Historical background. Bolognese sauce has a storied history dating back to the 18th century. The earliest documented recipe was recorded by Pellegrino Artusi in 1891, in his cookbook, Science in the Kitchen and the Art of Eating Well. The traditional recipe has evolved over the years, with regional and personal variations adding to its richness. Despite its many forms, the essence of Bolognese remains in its hearty combination of meat, wine, and aromatic vegetables. Essential ingredients. To make a classic Bolognese sauce, you'll need the following ingredients. Ground meat, typically a mixture of beef and pork. Vegetables, onions, carrots, and celery, finely diced. Tomatoes, canned whole tomatoes or tomato paste. Wine, red or white wine to deglaze and add depth. Milk or cream, for richness and to balance acidity. Broth, beef or chicken broth for moisture. Olive oil or butter, for sauté vegetables and meat. Herbs and spices, bay leaves, nutmeg, salt, and pepper. Equipment and tools. Having the right equipment and tools can make the process smoother. Large saucepan or Dutch oven, for cooking the sauce. Wooden spoon, for stirring. Knife and cutting board, for chopping vegetables. Measuring cups and spoons, for accurate measurements. Can opener, for opening canned tomatoes. Ladle, for serving. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video, if you have not. Basic techniques. Here are some fundamental techniques you'll need for making Bolognese sauce. Sauté, cooking vegetables and meat in oil or butter to develop flavors. Deglazing, adding wine to the pan to release browned bits from the bottom. Simmering, cooking the sauce slowly to blend flavors and thicken the sauce. Seasoning, adding herbs and spices to enhance the taste. Classic Bolognese sauce recipe. Ingredients. 1 tablespoon olive oil or butter. 1 onion, finely diced. 1 carrot, finely diced. 1 celery stalk, finely diced. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 500 grams ground beef. 250 grams ground pork. 1 cup dry red or white wine. 1 can, 28 ounces, whole tomatoes, crushed. 1 cup beef or chicken broth. 1 cup whole milk or cream. 2 bay leaves. Salt and pepper to taste. Freshly grated nutmeg, optional. Instructions. Sauté vegetables. In a large saucepan or Dutch oven, heat the olive oil or butter over medium heat. Add the onion, carrot, and celery, and sauté until softened, about 5-7 minutes. Add the garlic and cook for an additional minute. Cooking meat. Add the ground beef and pork to the pan. Cook, breaking up the meat with a wooden spoon, until browned and cooked through. Deglazing. Pour in the wine and bring to a simmer. Cook until the wine has reduced by half, scraping up any brown bits from the bottom of the pan. Adding tomatoes and broth. Stir in the crushed tomatoes, broth, and bay leaves. Bring the mixture to a simmer. Simmering. Reduce the heat to low and let the sauce simmer gently for at least 1.5 to 2 hours, stirring occasionally. The longer it simmers, the more the flavors will develop. Adding milk. In the last 30 minutes of cooking, stir in the milk or cream. Season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of freshly grated nutmeg if using. Final adjustments. Remove the bay leaves. Taste and adjust the seasoning as needed. Serving. Serve the Bolognese sauce over your favorite pasta, such as tagliatelle or pappardelle. Garnish with freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Variations and additions. Here are some popular variations and additions to the classic Bolognese sauce. Mushrooms. Add sliced mushrooms for extra umami flavor. Pancetta or bacon. Start by sauté diced pancetta or bacon for a richer taste. Herbs. Add fresh herbs like basil, oregano, or thyme. Spicy. Add a pinch of red pepper flakes for some heat. Vegetarian. Substitute the meat with lentils or a meat substitute for a vegetarian version. Serving suggestions and pairings. Bolognese sauce pairs well with various dishes and sides. Pasta. Serve with tagliatelle, fettuccine, or pappardelle. Bread. Enjoy with a crusty baguette or garlic bread. Salad. Pair with a simple green salad or Caesar salad. Wine. Complement with a robust red wine, such as Chianti or Sangiovese. Nutritional information. Understanding the nutritional content of your Bolognese sauce can help you make informed dietary choices. Here's an estimate for one serving, assuming 8 servings from the recipe. Calories, 400. Protein, 20 grams. Carbohydrates, 10 grams. Fat, 30 grams. Fiber, 2 grams. Tips for perfecting Bolognese sauce. Quality ingredients. Use the best quality meat, tomatoes, and wine you can find. Low and slow. Simmer the sauce slowly to allow flavors to develop fully. Fat balance. Don't skimp on the fat. It adds richness and flavor. Seasoning. Season in stages and taste frequently to adjust. Resting time. Let the sauce rest for a few minutes before serving to meld the flavors. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video, if you have not. Common mistakes to avoid. High heat. Cooking the sauce on high heat can cause it to burn and stick. Underseasoning. Ensure the sauce is well seasoned to enhance the flavors. Overcooking meat. Brown the meat but avoid overcooking it to keep it tender. Skipping milk. Adding milk balances the acidity and adds creaminess. Storage and shelf life. Proper storage ensures your sauce stays fresh longer. Refrigeration. Store in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Freezing. Freeze in portions in zip-top bags or containers for up to 3 months. Thaw in the refrigerator before reheating. Making Bolognese sauce for different diets. Adapt the recipe to fit various dietary needs. Gluten-free. Ensure the broth and other ingredients are gluten-free. Low carb. Serve over spiralized vegetables or cauliflower rice. Dairy-free. Use a dairy-free milk alternative. Vegan. Use a plant-based ground meat substitute and vegetable broth. Advanced techniques and experimentation. For those looking to refine their skills. Sofrito base. Start with a sofrito of finely chopped onions, carrots, and celery cooked slowly in olive oil. Deglazing variations. Experiment with different wines or even a splash of brandy. Texture control. Use a mixture of ground meats and hand-cut chunks for varied texture. Extended simmering. Cook for 4-6 hours for a deeply developed flavor. Frequently asked questions. Can I use ground turkey or chicken? Yes, ground turkey or chicken can be used as a leaner alternative. How do I make the sauce thicker? Simmer uncovered for longer to reduce and thicken the sauce. Can I add vegetables like bell peppers? Yes. Feel free to add any vegetables you like for extra flavor and nutrition. Why is my sauce too acidic? Adding a pinch of sugar or more milk can balance the acidity. How do I reheat the sauce? Reheat gently on the stove over low heat, stirring occasionally or in the microwave and cooker. Conclusion and final thoughts. Making an easy Bolognese sauce at home is a rewarding culinary experience that brings the rich flavors of Italy to your kitchen. By following this comprehensive guide, you'll be well equipped to create a delicious sauce that can be enjoyed with various dishes. Embrace the process, experiment with flavors, and most importantly, enjoy the satisfaction of homemade Bolognese. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video, if you have not. If you enjoyed watching, please subscribe to our channel. Subscription is free and does not cost money. Have you subscribed now? Okay, I will wait for you to subscribe now. Thank you. Do not forget to like the video, share the video, comment down below, watch recommended or suggested videos on your screen, tap or click notification bell, so that you would be notified each time we upload new videos. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video, if you have not. We say a big thank you for watching and see you in our next video. Happy cooking!